Are you seeking a better life for yourself and your family and an amazing chance of globally expanding your business? If your answer to these questions is yes, look no further. Law Office of Prashant Ajmera and Associates can turn your dreams into reality. Mr. Ajmera's experience in this highly complex field combined with his exceptional talent provides his clients with optimum strategies and solutions for their toughest immigration problems. He helps his clients effectively navigate the complex terrain of migration laws of various countries. With his profound knowledge and 25 years of experience in corporate and migration law, as well as international trade. After completing his studies, Mr. Ajmera began his career as a lawyer at the High Court of Gujarat. The next year, his journey took him to Canada, where he was invited to join a Canadian law firm specializing in residency and citizenship for professionals and businesses. And he conducted the very first EB-5 investment program seminar in Mumbai in the year 1999. It didn't take him long to start his independent practice in Canada in the year 2001. Additionally, he established associations with law firms in more than 30 countries around the globe, ensuring a global presence for his law firm. Today, he helps high-net-worth individual and successful businessmen through every step of the way, right from selecting the appropriate program, provide pros and cons of each program, elucidating their source of funds to presenting the necessary documents to ensure success.
Your goal may be children's education, children's future, expansion of your business, obtaining the NRI status, or tax planning, visa-free travel, whatever it may be. I will provide you several options to you according to your needs and according to your facts and circumstances.